The engineering officer is responsible for the resource management and damage control of the vessel. Your role is to manage power distribution of the equipped components that will ensure a positive outcome for your mission. Depending on the situation, you may have to make sacrifices in some areas to ensure the availability of essential components. To the left, you will see level indicators for the hull and shields as well as power consumption. As the hull green takes damage, the integrity is reduced and may not be repairable to maximum starting strength. You will see a second colour indicator, light green, within the first that shows repair level allowed. The energy bar shows the available power. A numerical reading for total power and consumed is also displayed. The shield bar will fluctuate as the shields are turned on and charging. The centre of the console is where most of your time will be spent. You will have control over the power sources, internal and external components. Click each name to get more detailed information like the type, integrity, and level of each item. Use the red X to return to the vessel damage map. Let's talk about the power source. Depending on the power source you have equipped, you will have varying power units available. The ion reactor base units are 2,000. These units will be dispersed between the components below. Each component's level is the number of power units being used at 100% capacity. For each component, you will see a slide bar, current power draw, operation level, integrity, and power switch. The power switch can be used to turn the component on and off completely. Don't be cheeky and turn off the life support. I know you were thinking about it. While the component is on, use the charge level slide bar to affect the component's operational level. Some device, while turned on in a ready status, will still need to be engaged by the tactical officer. The middle of the slide bar is nominal level. Components can be overcharged but at a cost. The component will take damage that may not be repairable if sustained too long. Components can take damage during combat as well. Component presets are available as well to match current status of the vessel. For instance, the speed preset will prioritize power to the main engines. Play around with these to get better familiar with how the vessel reacts to different situations. Damage control is another important role for the engineer. Internal damage to components is handled by the deck crews. You are able to prioritize the crews in action by sending them to work together, repairing one item, or split the load if multiple items need repaired. Keep in mind that any component charging above 1x cannot be actively repaired while online. Shields will charge back up over time as they regenerate. Damage to the vessel will be displayed on the map to the left of the damage control menus. You will start to see red dots on the map as damage is sustained. External damage will need to be completed by the drones at your disposal. Select a repair drone, then select launch. You will be presented with a list of targets. Select the contact you would like to repair, including your own vessel. Once selected, click on Go to send the drone on its way. Multiple drones can be deployed if available to speed up the repairs.